Hello guys, today we see another array problem, rearrange array alternatively. Let's start. Here, this is the problem, array problem. Here we can see it is given an array positive integer. Uh, Here what we do, we rearrange the array alternatively. So if you see the example, here you can see the array is sorted, or so here what we do, in output the maximum is go first, then the minimum one, then the second max, the second min, like that it's happen. So here you can see 10, 20, 30, 40, like that. So here 110 is the highest maximum, then 10 is the lowest one, then 100 is the second max, 20 is the second min, like that. And if the array is contain 1, then it is simply return the 1. So let's start it. First we, what do we do? First we find the length. Int n is equal to array dot length, array dot length. And we, what we do, first we create one array, and there we store this value, and return that into the original array. So like that we can do. So for that we create another array, int new array is equal to new int. Here what we do, we pass the length of the array, and here what we do, int create one count. Count is equal to starting from 0. So and here we first we check uh, whether the array is contain one element or more than one element is greater than or equal to 1. If the check whether the element is positive or what, let's check. And before that, what we do, we sort that array, because if we see here it is sorted. If sometimes the array is not sorted, for that first we sorted the array. Sort, for that arrays dot sort. Here we pass the array. Here are, this is, and then we check whether the array contain more than one, whether the contains more than one elements. So if n greater than 1, here n, if n greater than 1, then we write the loop and iterate the array and store it in the new array. So for that, int I is equal to 0, I less than, here we, what we do, because we store max and min simultaneously. So for that we go hack and return that. So for that we go to the n by 2 I plus plus, and here what is the new array? New array of what we do here, count. So here we also write count plus plus is equal to original array of n minus 1, means last index, and minus the first one. So for that, minus the current element, index element. So like that we can find the maximum number. So similarly for minimum one, what we do, directly find that current of elements. Count plus plus is equal to array of I, and uh, this is for maximum one, second one is the for minimum one. This is completed, then we check the whether the length is even or not, because if you see, this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 it is even, so we can go to the half of the array. So let's check if n percentage 2 not equal to 0, means if it is contains odd, then what we do, arrays of count plus plus is equal to array of uh, here arrays means that sorry, here arrays means the new arrays, and the new arrays of count plus plus is equal to array of file. Simply that particular element, sorry, the here what we do, we find the length, means here odd number of length, so also divide by 2, and lastly what we do, for whatever store in that new array, we retry shift change to original array. So for that, int I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, and whatever array of I, we can in particular array of I we can store new array of I, means whatever we got in a new, store in a new array, we store in the original array. Let's compile this. Let's see. Yeah, it is working fine. And let's submit this. Let's see, all test cases passed. Here it is passed. Yeah, compile successfully and all test cases passed. That's all. Thank you.